Okay, this is the question from the communication system subject. The topic is related to the pulse modulations. Okay, here the question is given in the year of GATE 1995. Okay, previous GATE paper, that is 1995 year. Okay, now look into the question. Here 1 kilohertz signal is flat top sampled at the rate of 1800 samples per second, and the samples are applied to an ideal rectangular low pass filter with cutoff frequency of 1100 Hz. Then the output of the filter contains. Okay, here the sampling frequency is given and the message signal frequency is given. That is nothing but here the message signal frequency that is nothing but FM, that is given as 1 kilohertz, and the sampling frequency, that is Fs, is given as 1800 samples per second. Okay, that is nothing but 1.8 kilohertz. Now we know that the sampling frequency component in a particular sampled output is nothing but NFS plus or minus FM. Okay, these are the sampling component. First we assume just n value equal to 0. If n value equal to 0, that is 0 into 1.8k plus or minus 1k. Okay, the first term completely 0, so only we have 1k, that is nothing but 1000 Hz only. Okay, that is for n value equal to 0. If n value equal to 1, then that is Fs plus or minus Fm, that is nothing but 1.8k plus or minus 1k. Okay, that is nothing but 1.8k plus 1k, that is 2.8k equal to 2800 Hz. Similarly, 1.8k minus 1k is nothing but 0.8k, that equal to 800 Hz. Similarly, if n value equal to 2 is considered, that is nothing but 2 into Fs plus or minus Fm, that is nothing but 2 into 1.8 k plus or minus 1k, that is nothing but 3.6k plus or minus 1k. The resultant outputs are 4600 and 2600. This is 3.6 plus 1k, that is 4.6k, that is 4600 Hz, and 3.6k minus 1k, that is 2.6, that is 2600 Hz. Okay, here total spectral components we have 1000 Hz, 2800 Hz, 800 Hz, 4600 Hz, 2000. These all components are passing through a low pass filter with the cutoff frequency of the low pass filter cutoff frequency Fc equal to 1100 Hz only. Now if these components all are passing through this one low pass filter, then here only the 1000 Hz and 800 Hz are only passed. The remaining high frequencies are 2800 Hz, 4600 Hz and 2600, all are rejected by low pass filter because the cutoff frequency is 1100 only. Finally, the output contains only 800 and 1000 Hz components only. Here the answer is C, 800 Hz and 1000 Hz only components are available in the low pass filter output.